Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with a quick and easy workout for flabby arms. That's right, we're gonna tone these beautiful limbs of yours. So let's get into it. Alrighty, first exercise, 30 seconds on the clock. Strong stance, all right, bent knees. We're gonna go up, side, front, all right, and then up. All right, really working those shoulders, squeezing your entire arm, moving with intention, but don't scrunch, push it down. All right, then we're gonna go side, all right? And you can go side like this, palms facing forward, or go ahead and flip your arms and have your palms facing forward instead of up. So instead of up, go forward, and then you're gonna come to the front, squeezing your chest, all right? Really squeezing your chest. You can even touch palms here, all right? And then up, side, front, very good. Up, side, front. All right, keeping a strong stance. Your entire body is engaged, even though only your arms are moving, all right? Nice bend in the knees, feet are hip width apart, tucked in butt, tucked in tummy, closed rib cage, chest is up and proud, shoulders are pushed away from your ears, all right? If you don't know how to close your rib cage, we've got a video here on our YouTube channel where Mare explains it to you. All right, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very, very good. Next, we have W's. All right, 30 seconds. Our arms are in a W position, so our elbows are close to our hips, close to our sides, pushing them together. All right, and you're going to rotate. So palms facing back, then palms facing forward, keeping those elbows tight, close to you when the palms come back to the front. All right, boom. Very good. Nice straight back, no slouching. I just caught myself kind of looking at my shadow, kind of seeing what I was doing, but no, we want to come upward. Very good. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have some kickbacks, all right? I like to do these bent over, so with a straight back bent over, but you can do them standing straight if you'd like as well. That's personal preference. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Start with by your side, and then you're gonna kick back. All right, palms facing back, and you're gonna push back. All right, very good. Really, really, really push back. Feel that resistance, like you can't go back anymore, all right? But keeping a straight arm, all right? If you start to bend, then maybe don't go so far back. Keep it straight and go, 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 go. Very good. Ooh, feel the burn, baby, burn. Almost there. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Very good. Woo, those will get you. All right, finishing strong with some big arm circles. All right, we're gonna go 3 forward, and then you're gonna stop and go 3 backwards. Very good. Really exaggerate this movement. Go as far as your arms will let you with keeping a straight posture. That is the trick, all right? If you feel like you're kind of getting out of sorts, then take it back a little bit. Quality over quantity, all right? And 3, 2, 1, and release. There we have it. Set 1 done and dusted. Great job. Take a second, grab your water, and then we're doing it again. Alrighty, set 2. You know what to do, so I zip it. We're just going straight through the routine. Starting with our up, side, front. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. W's, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Getting ready for kickbacks. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Very good. Bend those elbows a little bit. And arm circles. 3 forward, 3 back. Repeat. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, and release. Very good. Done. 2 sets. Done. Dusted. Great job. We're not done yet. One more set to go. Go ahead, grab your water, catch your breath, and we're doing it again. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. W's, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Getting ready for kickbacks. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and release. Very good. Bend those elbows a little bit. And arm circles. 3 forward, 3 back. Repeat. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, and release. Very good. And there we have it. 3 sets of your quick and easy flabby arm workout. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite, what videos you would like to see more of. If you have a video here, a favorite video on our channel already, drop that link so someone else can try it and tell them why it's your favorite. All right, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.